Hi everyone, my name is Shradha and today I'll be presenting the result of logistic regression which we used through the new data set. So in the first model, we are predicting the probability of attending grad school based on two continuous variables, that is writing scores and SESQ. So which the SESQ which represents the socio-economic status. As shown in the output, we can see the overall models is statistically significant as our x square is 1933.008 and our p-value is also less than 0.001. So it suggests that the writing and ESQ together improve our prediction of grad school attendance. So as we look at the odd ratio, we see that the overall module is that uh, as we see that our overall module is statistically significant and the odd ratio for the writing is 2.071. So it means that for every one standard deviation increase in the writing score, the odd ratio of attending grad school approximately double. And similarly, when we see the odd ratio of SEXQ is 1.940, so it indicates that the student with higher socioeconomic status are also more likely to attend grad school. And when we look at our t-shirt R square, we see that it stands to 0.186. That means that the model explains about 18.6% of the variance in grad school attendance. So in the below plot, we can see a clear upward curve of writing and as well as of SEXQ. So it means that the probability of attending grad school increases. And when we move to our second model, that is uh, looking for grad school with SES and race, and also the interaction between SES and race. So as we see, the model is significant as our x square is 1752.889 and our p-value is also less than 0.001. So this means uh, that there is an explanatory powerful over the null model. And when we look at our model, the SES odd ratio, we see that it's 2.375. It means for like every 1 unit increase in the SES, the odds of attending grad school more than the double. And also all the ratios group like also shows significantly lower odds compared to the Asians who are the reference group. So now when we see the interaction between our SES and race, we found that its odd ratio is 1.913 and our p-value is less than 0.001. So it suggests that for every white student has the effect of SES on attending grad school is stronger than it for the Asian. And the interaction between black and hipsters are not black and hipsters are not as significant, meaning that SES does not significantly change their likelihood of grad school attendance relative to the Asians. And through the plot, we clearly can see the Asians have the highest probability of grad school attendance, followed by the whites, black, and hipsters. And also through the SES plot, it confirms that as the SES increases, the probability of attending grad school also increases. So, to conclude, both the models highlights that the importance of the academic preparedness and graduate school attendance is relatively important. As we saw in the model one, showed that the writing ability Writing ability and SESQ are strong individual predictors. And also, whereas in model 2, we reveal that the disparity is based on race and that SES has a more pronounced impact for the white students. So, thank you for watching this analysis and stay tuned for the next.